welcome to my office and welcome to Unit 4. This unit is concerned with the theory-practice gap, the development of nursing theory and the emergent theory-practice gap. What's taught in nursing school, as perhaps you know, is not the reality of nursing practice, or so it's thought. A lot of theoretical material or even practical activity is taught in nursing school that doesn't really translate into clinical practice. That's one aspect of the theory-practice gap. The other aspect, I suppose, is that nursing theory is rather esoteric. It has no relevance for clinical nursing practice. Now, what I want to do in this module is simply explore a paper that was written by Davina Allen in 2004, who's an ex-colleague of mine. She's explored the nature of nursing practice, and she discovered really that what nurses do is not deliver individualised nursing care. They don't deliver holistic nursing practice. This is according to Davina Allen, of course. Instead, she says that nurses act as mediators in a number of different ways. So in actual fact, they're the hub, they're the core of the healthcare environment. They act as mediators. They do this by doing a number of different tasks. That includes communicating, so communicating with one profession to another, communicating patients' well-being perhaps. They do this by managing the work of others. This is significant. Not doing their own work, because I would argue at least that real nursing practice, nursing work, is almost absent from most clinical environments. That is therapeutic activity anyway, nursing therapy. We'll go on and explore that in a couple of weeks' time. As mediators, they also maintain records, and as many of you will have said, and many of you realise, that record keeping takes an awful lot of time. So, in nurse education, there's little point in being taught about individualised nursing care. There's little point about being taught about holistic nursing care, because we simply don't do it. Perhaps what we need to do is to be educated in how to manage care being delivered by others. Physical therapists, occupational therapists, and so on. What do you think? It's perhaps a controversial view, but it's an interesting one, and she does base her findings on a lot of what seems to be relevant material. Enjoy this module. Thank you.